This week was just a bad week for me. For the fact that I felt bad, it was a bad week for me. It was hard. Anyways, if you are coming to my channel for the very first time, my name is Rega, and what I do here is document my forex journey, showing you the winners, the losers, and everything in between. So if this is the kind of video you like to watch, please make sure you subscribe and leave a like. So let's go. The week has finally ended, and to be sincere, I did not take any new trade this week. I carried over a trade from previous weeks into this week, and that trade is the GBP Canadian dollar. And I must be sincere and transparent to you. The trade has come to an end, and it was just a brutal experience for me. I held that trade for over 25 days. I think it should be around 27 days total. I held the trade through the ups and downs, and at some point I was very optimistic that the trade was going to reward me, and at some point it did actually show me the clue that the trade is going to do well, but then everything falls apart. And this week the trade did hit stop loss in a very brutal way, and I am very sad because of that single trade I missed so much opportunities. Even the ones I could have taken, I didn't take them because I did not want to just put so much pressure on my account, and it is unfortunate that the trade did end in a loss. So I'm here to show you how the trade did hit stop loss and show you the next plan I have for this account, because this account I've been managing it since last year, the phase 1, the phase 2, and making withdrawal in the month of January, and since then it's been 4 months I've been battling with drawdown, and it's a horrible experience. I must be sincere to you. So I'm still battling the drawdown, and I hope I come out of this drawdown. So let me take you to the chart and show you how the trade went and the next plan I have for this account. Let's go. Guys, this is the GBP card trade I'm talking about, and you can see that this trade did actually hit stop loss after giving me pseudo hope, and that is the most painful part of this trade, because I held this trade for close to 30 days, giving it a lot of time and room to develop. It did actually do well after recovering and going into profit. You can see it going into profit, then reversed just $10 away from hitting take profit, and it reversed and hit the stop loss. That is why I'm very pained about this trade. Now, this trade did actually make me lose focus and did not actually pursue other opportunities that I saw, because I was trying to see what this trade is going to do, and I neglected other opportunities. And finally the trade has come to an end, and it is a losing trade for me. So I think I'll just continue trading the same way I am doing. I think I can actually come out of the drawdown. I just have, I think, $200 and something to come out of drawdown. I think it's very, very doable if I continue to trade with so much discipline, precision, and commitment. I can come out of drawdown and make another withdrawal. So this is the only trade I held this week. I did not take any other trade. I held it from previous week into this week. Let me show you how many days I held this trade. It is crazy. It is crazy. So if you put the bar here and draw it across to this candle, this is the candle that took the stop loss. You can see this is 27 days and 12 hours. 27 days and 12 hours. Leave a comment in the comment section if you know you can hold a trade like this, if you know you have the patience and endurance to hold a trade this far. Let me know in the comment section. I want to know how many of you that can actually hold trade like this and just to watch it hit stop loss. So guys, I think this is the only trade I held this week. I didn't do any other thing. So let me tell you the plan I have for this account for next week and beyond. So guys, you have seen how I lost the GBP card trade after 20 something days. That is wow. But I cannot beat myself up because of a single trade. I'll just take the loss with a pinch of salt. But the plan I have for this account going forward is to continue in the same way that I've traded this account. I've told you slow and steady, and slow and steady did actually work. I took some good trades that gave me good profit before this GBP card took some away, which I didn't lose everything. That is the importance of risk management. So I did actually lose what I can afford, and going forward I just want to take the highest probable trades that I can take. I'm not going to rush anything. Slow and steady, just as I said earlier, then I can see what I can do. I know with statistics, or statistically speaking, I can come out of this drawdown and even make profit. So that is what I'm going to do. Just take it slow and steady, then see what God will do for me. So if this is your first time of coming to my channel, please make sure you leave a like, comment. I do actually respond to comments. Subscribe and hit the bell notification button so that you get notified whenever I drop a new video. So the profit my trade is gold funded trader. If it is your first time of using gold funded trader, use the code FIRSTGFT and you'll get a 50% discount. The link will be in this video description. So other than that, I don't actually have much to say, or because this is just the only trading activity I had this week. Just sit on my hands and monitor this this particular trade that did actually end up in a loss. So I think I'll catch you next week. Yes, bye.